first of all, the UN's statistics on this say that 75% of the world's energy is consumed in cities. We heard Muhammad talk about that 80% of the world's GDP is in cities. So the concentration in cities is just so critical. The projection is that global GDP is going to grow around 3%. So a third to a half of GDP is going to be driven by sustainable infrastructure investments if these predictions are right. Smart cities are going to be a key component of that sustainable infrastructure that comes into play. Oftentimes, sustainable infrastructure is talked about in the context of creating roads and tollways. The problem with most of that type of greenfield infrastructure is that you can't get a return on it fast enough to get private capital to come in. The best place to get a return is by sustainable infrastructure in the most highly densely populated areas, because you have more users of the infrastructure so you can get a return. That's why I believe that a lot of the infrastructure is going to migrate towards the most densely populated areas, and it's going to be digitally enabled cities, the smart cities. The facts are starting to prove out because it's going to take a lot of capital to get this done, and in order to get capital, you're going to have to show how you get a return in a reasonable amount of time.